Capri, a picturesque island located in the Tyrrhenian Sea off the coast of Naples, Italy, is a gem of the Mediterranean and a must-visit destination for travelers seeking natural beauty, historical charm, and luxurious experiences. This enchanting island, with its rugged cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and quaint villages, has been a favored retreat for artists, celebrities, and tourists alike for centuries. One of the most iconic attractions on Capri is the renowned Blue Grotto, a sea cave that captivates visitors with its iridescent blue waters, illuminated by the play of sunlight through the underwater entrance. A boat ride to this natural wonder is a must for anyone visiting the island, allowing you to marvel at the unique interplay of light and water that makes this place so enchanting. Capri is also home to several stunning viewpoints, including the Gardens of Augustus and Mount Solaro. The Gardens of Augustus offer a lush and fragrant oasis where you can enjoy panoramic vistas of the dramatic coastline, the Fariglioni rock formations, and the Marina Piccola below. For the more adventurous, a hike or chairlift ride to the summit of Mount Solaro provides breathtaking panoramic views of the entire island and beyond. The island's two main towns, Capri and Capri, are replete with charming streets lined with boutique shops, cozy cafes, and excellent restaurants. Take a leisurely stroll through the historic center of Capri town, where you can explore the Piazzetta, a bustling square often referred to as the living room of the world, due to its vibrant atmosphere and celebrity sightings. Capri, on the other hand, offers a quieter and more traditional experience, with highlights including Villa San Michele, the former home of Swedish physician and writer Axel Munde, and the chairlift to Mount Solaro. For those interested in history and culture, Capri boasts several fascinating sites. The ancient Roman Villa Jovis, perched on a cliff, was the residence of Emperor Tiberius and offers insight into the island's rich past. Additionally, the Certosa di San Giacomo, a 14th-century Carthusian monastery, now serves as a museum and cultural center where you can explore religious art and learn about the island's history. Capri's culinary scene is a delectable fusion of traditional Mediterranean flavors and fresh, local ingredients. Don't miss the opportunity to savor Capri's salad, a simple yet flavorful dish made with ripe tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil, and local olive oil. The island is also famous for its limoncello, a lemon liqueur that's best enjoyed after a sumptuous meal at one of Capri's charming trattorias. Be sure to take advantage of the island's stunning beaches as well. Marina Piccola and Marina Grande offer sun-soaked shores and inviting waters ideal for swimming and sunbathing, while the more secluded and tranquil beaches like Marina di Puolo and Bagni di Tiberio provide serene escapes from the crowds. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, culture, or simply the opportunity to bask in the natural beauty of the Mediterranean, Capri has something to offer every traveler. From its world-famous Blue Grotto to its charming towns, rich history, and delectable cuisine, this enchanting island is a true paradise waiting to be explored. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey to Capri, where every corner reveals a new treasure and every moment is an unforgettable experience in the heart of the Italian Riviera.